This is the Boston Aquarium field trip. First exhibit is the amazing jellies and rescuing stranded sea turtles exhibit. This is a marine jelly. The maximum bell size is 20 inches, ranges over coastal oceans worldwide. Lives off a diet of plankton, can adapt to certain climate changes by shifting the time of certain life cycle stages. Global warming makes the jellies come too early, and young fish that would normally be hatching then get stung too early. This is the penguin field, African penguin, also known as black-footed penguin, grows to around 24 inches. Average weight is 5 to 9 pounds. Eats small fish. Its predators are gulls, fur seals, and sharks. It lives on the coastal islands of South Africa and Namibia. The Aquarium Medical Center offers services which is kind of what animals say. It offers blood tests, microbiological tests, tissue samples, and water analysis. Thinking Gallery, titled Reedy Sea Dragon. They live off of Australia's coast and temperate reef communities. They belong to the order of tube snouts for their tube-like jaws. Tube snout fathers take parental care seriously. 45 centimeters long on average, and they are camouflaged to look like seaweed, and they glide slowly to pull it off. The Edge of the Sea exhibit, which is in northern Seaside. The maximum size is 16 inches, eats clams, mussels, and barnacles, lives in rocky bottoms, and the dot on its back is where it takes in water for its body, which they use in a hydraulic system that helps it move. The Northern Waters exhibit was a giant feather duster. It grows up to about 4 inches and is from Washington to Southern California and found near low tides attached to rocks and crevices. It's actually a worm that lives in a tough parchment tube, and when it wants to eat or extract oxygen, it extends its feathery gills. The giant ocean tank at a leatherback sea turtle, and it can grow up to be 8 feet long. It's the biggest turtle in the world, and it can weigh more than a ton. And it eats like nothing but sea jellies. Freshwater Gallery at an electric eel. They can get up to 10 feet long and weigh around 44 pounds. Lives in muddy, calm waters, often remaining in hiding throughout the day. They live off of mostly invertebrates, frogs, fishes, and small mammals. They have a thick layer of insulation to protect themselves from their own electric shocks. The Gulf of Maine exhibit at a northern red anemone. Gets to around 5 inches and can be found from Arctic to Cape Cod and then from Alaska to California. Common in wave-swept marine waters and has thick tentacles that are allowed to seize large organisms. Marine Mammal Center, there were northern fur seals. The females grow up to be 4.5 feet long and weigh up to 120 pounds. Males grow up to 7 feet long and weigh up to 600 pounds. It evades squids and small school fish and live for around 15 to 20 years. The IMAX film is dolphins and whales, the humpback whale. The males sing, and they have baleen plates instead of teeth. They eat 5,000 pounds of krill a day, krill and small schooling fish a day. They live up to 50 years and can weigh up to 50 tons. They migrate every year. A harbor seal exhibit. The males grow up to 5.5 feet and weigh 150 to 250 pounds. Females grow up to 4.5 feet and weigh 150 to 200 pounds. On average, they live for around 15 to 20 years. They range from